Hello everyone. So this is my 5th or 6th sub 10, I believe. But significantly, it's my first sub 10 caught on camera. And that not only means it's easy for me to reconstruct, but also for me to go back and see how I could have done it better, what mistakes I seem to make. Now this solve was a combination of really quick recognition and a bit of luck, of course. I'm going to start by breaking down how I actually did it, and then tell you about one big thing which I really need to improve in. So I did white cross, because I'm not color neutral yet, and I noticed that if I take this out of the way, I've actually got red, blue, and orange ready to go in, and I just need to do a D prime move to get green into position. So I started with an F prime move, which is not a really nice way to start, but it means that I could easily do that D prime, and then R prime, and L prime. And then I think I continue into the F like this. It's a 5-move cross, which is not too bad, but maybe a bit less ideal because I sort of finished with my hands like this and I needed to regrip. The first pair I noticed was this, and so I did a Y prime rotation to insert into the back. This is a really nice case because if you take this edge out like that, it's ready to go and you can actually cancel into it. As I was doing that, I was tracking this pair because I could tell that I just saw that white sticker sort of standing up from before. This probably would have been a better case to do, but in the speed of the moment, I only saw this. Also, probably would have been better for me to do that, make the pair that way and insert it. That would have saved me, I think, 2 moves. Instead, I did this and made the pair this way, which is a bit longer, but a plus is that as I was doing that, I think I was tracking this pair and I saw that that pair got made, and so instantly I could go and get that pair done. And then just looking at the top, I knew that that had to be the corner, of course, so I didn't even have to check for what it was. I just did a rotation this way, made that pair, put it in. This is a bit of an annoying OLL because it's I think it's a 13 mover, but it's pretty fast. So this is anti-soon, and then the T shape. And then PLL skip without an AUF. So all in all, it was a pretty efficient solve, but there was one thing that I really need to improve in that was made very obvious when I watched it back again, and that is regrips. So I'm going to show you the solve again, and this time count how many times I do unnecessary regrips. So if you're way faster than me or don't have a problem with regrips, then the rest of this video probably isn't for you. But if you're wondering what makes a regrip unnecessary, well, arguably every regrip is necessary. Now there are some that sort of make some algs happen faster, but here's a pretty famous one for example. So if you were inserting this F12 pair over here, I know I did this when I first started out. Starting from here, I would regrip, do that, and then regrip back again. And I mean, that feels very natural, right? It's very fast. Oops. It's very fast as well, but it's unnecessary because the time it takes for me to do this and then go back again is, I don't know, 0.3, 0.2 seconds, but it all adds up. And doing that over and over in a solve can actually add up to multiple seconds. So instead of regripping to solve this F2L case, I really should be doing it this way, pushing with my left hand, or pinching with my right hand. Now, admittedly, I'm not that fast in either of those yet, but that's why I need to work on that. An even worse case is something like this. So I think I used to do this too, and I know that I still see some beginner solvers do this. So inserting this F12 pair there, they'll regrip to put it in, when that regrip is totally pointless because it's the left hand that's doing the U move. So that can easily just be done like this. This is something that you totally notice when you start recording yourselves and watching them back again, so I recommend doing that. So here's my solve again with what I probably should have done. So the first part was probably all okay. Then when I rotate, I should not have regripped. So instead of taking the edge out like this, just taking the edge out like this, which will let me easily and much more comfortably cancel into that. Same over here. I think I did this and then regripped. Because it was easier to insert the pair after that, and I really should have just done this and then a push over here to get it in like that, and then that was all okay. I regripped over here to do the first half of this OLL, the anti-soon, when I really should have just done it like this. And then even this doesn't need a rear grip. I find this one a bit harder because, you know, F sexy move, I can do it very fast if I do a rear grip, but I'm trying to train myself to do it this way. So you do your F with your thumb like that, and then pinch to do the sexy move like that. They seem like really minor things, but they all add up. All of the pro really fast speed cubers say that's what you need to do. Minimize your regrips, just try your best to start and end in home grip, like in this position, when you're doing the entire solve. Anyway, that's that. Hope it was helpful. Hope I also get to break this high 9 curse. It would be so nice to get a low 9 or even an 8-second solve one day. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.